Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2019 Lexus RX 350 luxury package in the color Eminent White Pearl. Under the hood, you have an 8-speed automatic transmission, 3.5-liter V6 engine. You have your triple LED headlamps and headlamp washers. You also have your fog lamps below. You have 20-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have 14-way power front seats with black leather throughout. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, rear trunk hatch, and heated steering. Your 12.3-inch screen display is controlled by your Lexus remote. You have your audio and dual climate controls, your heated and ventilated front seats, cup holders, your mode selector, storage space in the center console, and above you have your controls for your sunroof. Your wood grain steering wheel has your Bluetooth and audio controls and your cruise control and lane assist settings, as well as your multi-infotainment display controls. And heading into the rear seats, you have latches on either side to release the back seats, heated seat controls in the middle, and manual sunshades on either door. In the rear trunk, you have your anchor points throughout, alternate levers for the back seats, and you also have your spare tire below. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.